The primary mandate of the Philippine Information Agency is to communicate the priority thrusts of the Office of the President. In line with this, PIA7 has coordinated with several national government agencies to execute its programs and services. Last December, President Rodrigo Duterte signed Executive Order No. 70, institutionalizing the whole-of-nation approach in attaining inclusive and sustainable peace, creating a national task force to end local communist conflict. For our part, PIA7 inked a partnership with the National Intelligence Coordinating Agency to hold series of on-ground activities like short film competition, multi-sectoral fora, campus visits, and briefings for government information officers about countering violent extremism. This also includes attending press conference for former rebels who are beneficiaries of the Enhanced Comprehensive Localized Integration Program or ECLIP. Another big issue on peace and order that Central Visayas faced was the travel ban issued in southern Cebu by the UK government following the terror attacks in Mindanao. PIA gathered the media for an interagency security summit for tourism stakeholders organized by the Office of the Presidential Assistant for the Visayas, headed by Secretary Michael Dino, Police Regional Office 7, headed by General Debold Sinas, and Department of Tourism, headed by their Regional Director, Shalimar Hofer Tamano, to ensure stakeholders that Southern Cebu is safe for tourists. In a matter of days, the UK government lifted its travel ban. We have also covered peace covenants, unity walks, and other events on achieving an honest, orderly, and peaceful elections throughout the province. In the anti-illegal drugs campaign, no less than Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency 7 Regional Director Wardley Getalia guested in the Aguio PIA7 Forum to discuss on the relentless operations against illegal drugs, together with the Police Regional Office 7 and the Department of Interior and Local Government. We have also set radio guestings for PIA7 in the coming months. Assistance to presidential visits is also part of PIA's priority tasks. For this quarter, President Duterte visited the region once. The President met with the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program beneficiaries of the Unconditional Fund Transfer Program. Together with the Media Accreditation Relations Office, we held coordination meetings, ocular site inspection, press briefing, and media accreditation. Measles outbreak is also shaking the entire region up to this day. PIA has partnered with the Department of Health in going full blast in their information drive, emphasizing the effectiveness of vaccination. With the Knockout Tigdas campaign, PIA has continually disseminated information about measles through our Facebook and Twitter pages. Alongside measles, PIA7 has released 7 articles on dengue, which include topics on prevention, cure, and statistics. For HIV/AIDS awareness, we have worked closely with the DOH through information sharing and the weekly Aguio PIA7 Forum. Our very own Miss Fayette Renien and Miss Rachel Nesha lauded fellow women in their talks during the celebration of the National Women's Month. We have initiated the topic on Magna Carta of Women and the celebration in our regular fora region-wide. Different aspects of the law were discussed, such as women's disability and livelihood programs. The threat of El Niño nationwide impacts several areas from agricultural, health of both humans and livestock, and water and power consumption. We have already conducted Kapian sa PIA with the Cebu City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council and another forum featuring the Metro Cebu Water District, CASA, and the Department of Agriculture. PIA7 is also active in attending meetings with the different regional and provincial councils. From January to March 2019, we have already accomplished the following: 321 news releases, 785 SMS, 433 text blasts, 44 fora, 53 radio programs, 34 TV programs, 40 radio guestings, 27 technical assistants, 77 meetings, 900 local issues and concerns, 28 press conferences. PIA7 will continue to be the government's premier information arm in accordance with our ultimate motto that a well-informed Filipino is an empowered Filipino.